Hey there, creators. Today I'm going to share with you 18 YouTube settings that can make or break your channel. And these are the settings that I'm applying to my channel. If you implement these settings, these can boost and improve your YouTube video performance. So my name is Tamika and let's get into it. The first one up on our list is to indicate if this video is made for kids or not made for kids. So you have the settings here. You can click if it's made for kids or if it's not made for kids. And this is especially for when you have ads running on your channel, if you want to make sure that it's age appropriate. And the difference with this one is on the ones that are made for kids, you can't comment on those. So you have to make sure, it's very important that you indicate whether it's for kids or not for kids. And make sure you get this right to avoid the penalties and the restriction. So the next setting is if you're publishing to your subscription feed or to notify your subscriber. So you're going to go to content here and go to one of your videos that you've uploaded before or you're uploading. Then you go to license here and then you have these two options to publish to subscriptions and notify subscriber. You want to uncheck this if you have anything that you're posting to the channel that is not related to your channel. Like if you have a gospel channel and you want to post something or some news or views about dancehall, you don't want your gospel subscriber to see that. So you are going to go ahead and uncheck that button here where you don't publish to the subscription feed or so you don't notify your subscriber. And this is very important because if you do this, it will be hurting your channel's performance. So you don't want to do that. It will send a negative signal to the algorithm that you have. And it's usually checked by default. So you want to uncheck it. If you're going to editing and edit one of the video, it's probably already selected. You can unselect it. But for here, it's optional. You unselect that one. The next setting is automatic chapters. You can go to channel content and in the details section, it says automatic chapters. You don't want YouTube to allow automatic chapters because sometimes it depends on the detail that they'll provide. It's better to add your own chapter than to allow YouTube to add that chapter for you. And it's very easy to do. You just want to go in the description and you can add your chapters. So you put the timestamp like this right here, and once you save it, it selects the chapters at those timestamps for you. Or to make it even better, I'll just include my chapters using TubeBuddy. It's very easy. So I'll do it that way than to do it this way. So next on the list, we have the license and distribution. And you just want to select from this drop down and you want to change it to Creative Commons attribution. So when persons are looking on YouTube, what are they to recreate or to remix, you'll fall in the Creative Commons settings and that will give them the authorization to use your video. So with your shorts mixing, it's asking you if you want to allow the video and the audio for remixing, or you just want to allow only the audio, or you don't want to allow remixing. I think allow your video and audio for remixing is very important. You can do that and it's not copying. I mean, if somebody wants to take something from your channel, it will only be a promotion and a positive to you in sharing you on another channel. So I'll say go ahead and allow your video and audio for remixing. And this will let others promote your content, and it helps to reach a wider audience. Free marketing for your channel. So why not? It's free marketing. Who wouldn't want free marketing? Continue on the content. Number 5 is featured places. So it's asking if you want your video to be featured in places that are mentioned in your video. And for security purposes, you want to enable that button, allow automatic places. No, you don't want to do that. You don't want viewers to identify your exact location for security purposes and for privacy issues. You don't want to disclose your location at all at any point in time. Oh, number 7 on the list, you want to select the right category that you're creating the video under. So under details again, where you uploaded the information for the video, you see category, and you have different categories. You have education, comedy, entertainment, film and animation, gaming. So if you have a gaming channel, you're going to put it under the gaming category. If you're doing entertainment, you're going to put it under the entertainment category. So that way you'll fall into the right category and people can find you on YouTube accordingly. And with this, YouTube will understand your audience based off of the information, and then will push your video to those who need it, and in that way you'll get more views and views that are relevant. This will significantly increase your video reach. And the next thing on the list, you want to grow your YouTube audience. I'm going to share with you a little secret subscription confirmation link that you want to send to others. If you're sending a link, you send them that link so that they'll subscribe to your channel without you even asking them to subscribe to the channel. So to the ending of the link on your YouTube page, you're going to put a question sign sub_confirmation equal 1. I'll have that link here. So that's the YouTube page, and it says, do you want to subscribe to this channel? It says asking you right now to subscribe. So you have the option of subscribing. And doing this is simple, but it will get you so much more subscribers. Says I can't subscribe to myself. It's funny. But just do that by sending this link to each person, and they'll see this pop up and they'll subscribe to your channel. And simple things like this, as I said before, will significantly increase your subscriber. So next we have settings number 10. You're going to customize your YouTube page, your YouTube channel. So you're going to go to the YouTube main page, which is this page, and then you have customize your channel. So you go here, go to your channel, which is here, customize your YouTube channel. So you hit customize. So when you go on YouTube, on the general page, you can see you have different playlists, you have different segments. Like for this one, you have the For You page here. If your channel is new and you don't have much video, you don't want to have your shorts at the top. You want to make sure that your shorts is down at the bottom if you have long form videos. Also, if you're doing your channel for just shorts, then you want to put them at the top. So you rearrange this section and this segment based off the purpose of your YouTube channel. And in doing so, in adjusting them in order, you're going to customize channel. And you see here where you can organize, put them in order. So you can have popular videos, short videos. If you're doing lives, you could add the lives there. So for me, I have the For You page, and then I have videos, then popular videos. Say, for example, I want to move my popular videos and put them in front. I could just do the shifting like that and reorganize it. I do mostly long form videos. You just want to make sure that your page is organized and it stands, and the viewers will get to see what they come to your page to look at. So that's it for the customization in terms of the layout of your channel page. So you want to make sure that the channel page is organized and it is effective and attracting a lot of viewers based off the look and how you view that channel. And it's very important that once you make changes, you have to save and publish each time you make the change, because if not, then the changes that you've made here will not be saved and it will revert to what it was before. Next, number 11, you want to rearrange your shorts. My shorts here is down at the bottom. You don't want your shorts to be at the top and in front, because I'm not producing shorts for the channel. It's mostly long form videos. So I want to put my long form videos at the top. If your channel is about producing shorts, then you want to put all the short form content at the top. So I'll show you how to do that. You just drag and drop the different segments. I'll have my shorts here at the top, which I don't want to, so I'm going to put it back the bottom of the page. So there you have it. And remember, you have to save the changes that you made here. If not, then it will revert to what you had before. So you have to publish here before you can see the changes. Remember, you have to do that. So next we're going to go to eligibility, and then you're going to go to channel and scroll over here. You have the feature eligibility, and with that right here, you want to make sure that you complete these verifications right here, because you want to use the thumbnail that you've selected and not the one that YouTube automatically selected. And that's done by just enabling and verifying this section right here. And this is also for security purposes too. And if there's anything wrong with the back end of your YouTube page and this is supposed to be changed, then they have your telephone number to verify that as well. And remember, don't skip this step, because customized thumbnails and the title are one of the number one showstoppers for viewers in watching your videos. So very important key to get verified so you can upload your own individual thumbnails. So number 13 on the list, you have your country of residence. Another key important settings to make sure that your resident or where you're living is there. And if you're not living in the United States, don't put in the United States to get views, because this will affect you and you have to pay all the taxes that apply to the citizens and residents of the United States. So you want to put the country that you're in. It's still under settings. So you go to settings here, then you go to your channel details, and under basic information, you'll see the country of residence. So you want to look on the list here and input your country of residence. So number 14 on the list, we have the channel keywords, and you can save these keywords right here. You're going to put the keywords and what your channel is about. Under the basic info, you have keywords. So you put generalized number of keywords here for your YouTube. These are for SEO optimization, where people can find you for different reasons. So like on mine, you have money mindset, savings, investing, insurance. So if we're talking about that topic and somebody's searching, it will also help to direct traffic to your YouTube video. So now we're at where you add video watermark to your video. And for this one, so you go to your home page, then go to channel customization. And with this, we're going to fix the video watermark. So you're going to go to branding. When you go to branding, it will take you picture and your banner there, and then you have the video watermark. You want to ensure that your watermark is on the entire video. Why? Because persons can actually over the watermarks or your logo and subscribe to your video, and that's another chance of getting more subscribers. So you want to select the entire video, and then if you want to change it, whether you want to put your logo or a YouTube sign there, you can always embed and put something there. So if you hit change, you can select an or a picture from your selection and have it in the entire video. Again, another chance of having more subscribers. So that's it with the video watermark. Now we're at number 16, and we have your channel description. Channel description, very important, because that's one of what persons will see on your channel and want to know if they're attracted to you or not with one sentence. So you want to make the most and best out of the one sentence that you're going to write in your channel description. You can have a lot, but you don't need a lot, because you can write one sentence as well. That we're still on the channel customization. You just want leave from the branding to the basic information. So you go there, and my description reads, my mission is simple to help you prosper on the internet. You can write anything, whatever the mission is, whatever the goal you have, you can put it here in the description for your YouTube channel. Another powerful YouTube setting is, when are you releasing your video? Use the release of your video based off the time that your viewers are online and are able to watch your videos. And with this information, you can find it under analytics. So you're going to go to your analytics here. Then you're going to go to audience. Once you scroll down, it will give you this. It says when your viewers are on YouTube. So the brightest lines are within the time that my viewers are on YouTube. Say for example, on a Sunday, it's 11 and 1 o'clock. My viewers are on. So you want to release your videos on a Sunday within that time. And for the smaller channels, it might not show here, but the good thing is you have the tool called Q. I find is very powerful for that, because what it does, it gives you an idea when you're supposed to release your videos. Say for example, I'll go to a video that I want to release. Then once that's right here, it will give me the detail as to the peak time. Consider posting when viewers on my channel will grow. So it gives you the time, so around 12 o'clock. So that's the peak time for my channel. Overall is posting at about 12 o'clock. So when I'm setting my time to release the video, to make the video live, do release it at about 12 o'clock on that day. And this tool gives you that information, and it's called vidIQ. I put the link in the description below, so that if you want to use vidIQ as well, you can do so, just to give you these little perks and details. And the last one I have on my list is your end screen to your video. So you want to add end screen to the video. So when you're uploading a video, you'll see the option to add the end screen, or you can come in and adjust it in the details. Over on this side, it says end screen. So you're going to edit the end screen. So with end screen, it will encourage your viewers to continue to watch other videos from you. So what it will do, it will show you other videos that are available to watch once that video is coming to an end. So if you're not familiar with that, you go to the end screen over on this side, then you're going to add the end screen to the ending of the video.